If you're wondering whether Dress Up, Personal Fashion Stylist AI is worth your time, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know. And trust me, a few of these will surprise you. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link below. But before you dive in, there's something that sets this apart from every other so-called AI fashion tool out there. And I'll explain that in just a moment. So here's the deal. Dress Up isn't just another virtual wardrobe gimmick. It's one of the best just released AI softwares in the personal styling space, and it's seriously smart. Whether you're fashion challenged or already style savvy, this tool gives you real-time, AI-powered outfit suggestions tailored to your body type, preferences, and even the occasion. Think of it like a personal stylist that lives in your phone and doesn't charge $150 an hour. The first thing you'll notice is how intuitive the onboarding is. You can upload a photo or enter your measurements manually, and from there, the AI builds a profile that's shockingly accurate. It doesn't just recommend generic outfits, it factors in seasonal trends, your past likes, and even the weather in your location. That's next level personalization most tools don't offer. What really stood out to me as someone who's tested thousands of AI tools is how the Dress Up AI explains why it picked a certain outfit. That kind of insight isn't just helpful, it actually teaches you how to improve your fashion sense over time. It's not just dressing you, it's training you. Another big plus, the closet integration. You can sync your wardrobe or manually input what you own, and the AI will start building looks using clothes you already have. That makes Dress Up not just stylish, but actually practical. You don't need to go buy a bunch of new stuff. You're getting more value out of what you already own. Now here's something I didn't expect. Dress Up is social. There's a community feed where you can share your fits, get feedback, and see what others with similar styles are wearing. It's like a mix of Pinterest and your favorite fashion subreddit, but AI curated. That alone can keep you engaged and evolving your look. Also, if you're into shopping smarter, Dress Up includes AI shopping suggestions. But here's the key difference. It's not just pushing random affiliate links. The tool learns your budget and style over time and curates finds that actually match both. That level of targeting is something digital marketers dream about, and it's finally showing up in consumer AI apps like this. And finally, the app's speed and UX are clean. A lot of AI fashion apps get clunky or hit you with ads every 2 taps. Dress Up is snappy, distraction-free, and honestly feels like something Apple could have made. If you're still on the fence, here's why you'll want to test this now. AI in fashion is exploding, and Dress Up is setting a serious bar for how personal and smart a stylist can get. Plus, it's still new, so early users often get access to premium features that won't be free forever. So hit the first link below to try. Dress Up, Personal Fashion Stylist AI completely free. And if you want my shortlist of the best AI tools I've found after testing thousands, I've linked those in the description too. Some of them will blow your mind. Let me know what you think after you try it, especially if the AI nails your style better than you expected.